Struggling with acne and still looking for a perfect sunscreen? I know finding a sunscreen that won't clog your pore and make your acne worse is a task, but today I have this acne UV gel. This one's supposed to work on your acne prone skin because this claims to be non-comedogenic. It's a water resistant sunscreen, but let's find out whether this has worked for my comedone prone skin or not. Before that, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe down below and press the bell button so you never miss any of our videos. Now let's start. This is a silicone based sunscreen. This got SPF of 50 and PA++. This will protect your skin from UVA, UVB and visible light. It's an oil-free formula, non-comedogenic, and it's very water resistant, and it's free from alcohol and dye. And this sunscreen I have seen in many videos where even dermats are recommending this one. I was like, okay, लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. इसी का एक मॉइस्चराइजर आता है एक्ने ओसी करके, जिसका मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको रिव्यू दिया हुआ है. इफ यू हैव मिस्ड इट, डू चेक इट आउट फ्रॉम द आई बटन और नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको उसका मैं लिंक दे दूंगी. बट नाउ लेट्स सी कि इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स में ऐसा क्या है. दो इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी है, बहुत बेसिक स्टफ है इसमें. ऑन द टॉप आपको इसमें सिलिकॉन्स मिलते हैं. दिस कंटेन बंच ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फिल्टर्स एंड यू गेट वन फिजिकल फिल्टर विच इज टाइटेनियम डाइऑक्साइड. Rest this only got silicons and fragrance. That is it. Very simple formula, just the basic stuff, just the right stuff. That is it. And like the name say, it's a silicone based sunscreen. The texture of this one is like that only. It has a primer like texture, feels very light and get absorbed quickly into your skin. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel sticky, and by the end of the day you don't feel your face look dull and dark. Though with this I feel the face look more bright towards the end of the day. It's not something which is very new to me. I have used silicone based sunscreens before as well. This one is exactly same like UV Duox, Lash Shield, and even there was one more sunscreen which my doctor has recommended. So it's exactly same. The texture वैसा ही है. It feels exactly same. So either you go for UV Duox, you can go for the Lash Shield, or you can go for this one. All of them are safe for acne prone skin. All of them are safe for comedone prone skin. Yes, this is water resistant, but इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद when I wash my hands तो ये बिल्कुल ऐसे जैसे रबर निकलता है ना, इरेजर जब आप कोई चीज़ मिटाते हो एंड वो जो बनते हैं रबर के, वो एग्जैक्टली वैसे उस तरह का बनना शुरू हो जाता है आपके हाथ पे. फेस पे मैंने वाटर स्प्रे करके नहीं टेस्ट किया बिकॉज मैं कोई बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे बारिश में नहीं निकल रही हूँ, ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट का इशू आता है. सो आई हैवंट टेस्टेड ऑन दैट बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स अभी तो वैसे विंटर्स हैं तो ये स्वेट का इशू नहीं है. बट हाँ, समर्स के टाइम पे आई विल सी कि अगर ये स्वेटी फील कराएगी तो दैट आई डोंट नो. बट फॉर नाउ, like for winters, this worked really well on my skin, and yes, from my side I will recommend this one. It's a beautiful sunscreen. That was my quick experience on this sunscreen. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna see you in my next.